Want to fix the black screen issue in Hamster Kombat but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to fix the black screen in Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you have to force close the Telegram by tapping on the three vertical buttons from the bottom left corner of your screen. Then swipe out from the bottom of your home screen. Next, you have to restart your device. After you have restarted your device, go to Play Store. Now tap on the search button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen and search Telegram. Then check whether there is an update available. If so, tap on Update button. Now open up Telegram by tapping on the Open button. After that, tap on hamburger icon which is at the top left corner of your screen. Then select Settings. Now below Settings there is Data and Storage. Tap on it. After that, tap on Storage Uses. Click on the Clear Cache button. Click on the Clear Cache button. Now go back to your main homepage of Telegram. And then tap on Hamster Kombat. On the bottom left corner there is Play button. Tap on it. If the problem is still there, then try reinstalling Telegram. And that's how you can fix the black screen issue in Hamster Kombat. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.